Everyone think you need to win 80% of your trades to be profitable, but with the 1:3 setup, you can win more than you lose and you still make money. So let me show you the math real quick. So as you can see here on the chart, we have 1:3 and we have 1:2, we have 1:3, and we have 1:5, right? So here on a 1:2, you actually need a 33% winning rate strategy to actually be profitable. And with the 1:3, you actually need only 25%. So your strategy needs to be only 25% winning rate for you to be profitable. And with the 1:5, you need a 16.7% strategy to actually be profitable. So sometimes, guys, is not your strategy. Your strategy might be good, but your risk to reward ratio is cooked, right? And that's the reason why in this video, guys, I want to explain to you how this actually changed my perspective. How it actually changed my life and my view toward forex trading. You understand, right? So here, as you can see here, at a 1:2, right? Here you actually need only 4 trades out of 10. So let's say you actually are risking $1 per trade, right? And let's just calculate out of 10 trades, because you calculate your winning rate after taking 10 trades. So if you take 10 trades with a 1:2, you only need 4 wins, right, for you to be profitable. So if you take 10 trades, you win 4 and you lose 6 trades, you are still profitable. You understand, right? And that's just 40%. You understand? 40% winning rate, and you are profitable with a 1:2%. You understand, gang? So now, as you can see here on a 1:3, you only need 25%. So you only out of 10 position, you only need to win um only if you win 3 position, right? If you win 3 position, you are already profitable. You understand, gang? So if you open 10 trades and you lose 7, but you only win 3, you are still profitable. You understand, right? So now you can see how powerful the risk to reward is, right? So yeah, and here 1:500, which is actually rare, and this is actually it's a doable only if you're actually like a swing trader, long-term trader, but it doesn't happen all the time. But every time it's happening, you catch it. This one is a very, very powerful, and the the people who actually like chase this kind of 1:5, they are the most profitable because they actually get more profit than they're actually risking. So here, as you can see, you only need a 16.7% winning rate for you to be profitable, meaning you only need 2 winning trades and you're already profitable. So let's say you open the first trade, you lose. The second, you lose. The third, and even if you lose 8 position and you only win 2, and you are still in profit. You understand, right? So that's how powerful risk to reward ratio is. So now you might be wondering, like, which one do I go? Which one do I do, right? So personally, I'm a day trader, and I know if you've been following me on a Telegram and everywhere, I'm a day trader. So I actually do 1:3. This is one of my favorite. This is what I actually trade, right? So even if my strategy drop below 50%, right, I'm still gonna be profitable because here I only need 3 winning trades out of 10 for me to be profitable. That's the only thing that I need trading with my risk 1.3 risk to reward. So now you might be wondering also, like, how do you actually know the risk reward. That's how when it comes to a strategy. So personally, I only trade continuations most of the time, right? So continuation is when the market is going up, the market is a bullish or it's a bearish, right? So I don't actually like a look for reversing, right? I'm actually gonna be looking to actually go with the trend of the market because most of the time when the market is trending, it tends to actually continues going down, right? And also it's dependent with the session that you're trading, right? So as you know, personally, I only trade gold, right? So I know the perfect time for me to trade gold, right? And I also have my rules, my trading rules. I only trade it during Asian to London, right? And then I'm gonna take a break during London break, and then also I'm gonna start trading when London session and New York session are actually trading together. Actually correlate. I don't know how you say that. See, when London and New York session when they are active, that's when I actually start trading. See, so that's exactly what I do. And also, I only trade 1 to 2 positions per session. So if I win the first trade and I'm done for that session, I'm gonna wait again during New York session. And if I lose the first trade, I only have one more chance to actually try. And when I lose, and that's it for that session. I'm just gonna wait and then try again during New York and the London session when they are active together, right? So and also the same rule applies. I'm only going to um, try the first one. If I lose, and then I try the last one. But if I win, I'm done for the session as well because my risk to reward ratio is a 1:3. So if I lose the first one, it's good, right? I'm gonna wait again. If I lose the second one, you understand? It's fine. But if I win the third one, it's actually gonna it's actually gonna I'm gonna be in a profit because I actually win 3 times than I was losing because I only lost 2 times and now I lose I lost uh, 2 times and now I win uh 3 times. You get so that's just it. So as you can see, I just wanted to make this clear so that you guys can understand how powerful risk to reward it actually is. And most people they actually sleep on this. And just make sure that every trade you take, it's actually the same strategy because don't trade every strategy. That's the thing. Don't trade every strategy and don't trade every pair either. Just choose one pair that you want to stick to and one strategy that you want to stick to. So if it's going to be a break and a retest, just stick to that one because it's actually going to be giving you the same exact risk every time. They might be like a little different, but it won't be too much of the difference. You understand? And I actually recommend to actually get your entries on one time frame. If it's only 1 minute time frame, that's where you actually get your confirmation from. And make sure every time you trade, you get your confirmation on a 1 minute time frame so that you can have the same risk to reward because you don't want to risk 1:3 on a 1 minute time frame, right? And then you lose, and then you switch on a 1 hour, and then you risk again a 1:2, 1:3, which the stop loss is gonna be high, and it's gonna actually mess up your actually winning potential and your whole thing. So stick to one thing, guys. Personally, I only stick to one thing. You know what I mean? And it's 2026. Happy New Year, first of all. Everybody watching this video, I'm coming up like this. The energy is high. It's a new year. We are locked in. We have a Telegram group where we actually killing it. The link will be down below in the description. And look, it's 2026. Yeah, I want everyone to have a better broker because some of the brokers I realized in 2025 there was very, very bad, right? So now I'm actually trading with one of the best broker in the world right now, and I will leave the link down below in the description. So make sure that you tap in, click that link, open the account and let's go, baby. And make sure that you join the free Telegram group, which the link will be down below in the description. We actually have a VIP, which is actually optional, where we actually, if you want to learn and at the same time, then you can be in VIP. But free VIP, free group, it's free. The link will be down below. And that's just it, guys. And yeah, let me know if you have any question, right? And then I'm actually gonna keep on making these kind of videos every time to actually explain to you guys more, right? But I don't want to make this video too long again. I just wish you guys the best in this 2026. Let's make a change, gang. It's time to go all in. It's time to go hard. They understand it's time to go hard 2025, gang. So yeah. So if you like this video and you want more of these, make sure that you like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification so that you don't miss out on my next video, because this year I'm gonna be dropping gems after gems. I'm gonna be breaking down, and I'm also gonna be showing you how I personally execute, how I trade. You understand? So yeah, without further ado, guys, I will see you again on the next video.